I hope any day is better than yesterday. Yesterday was dark, real dark. Even though it was sunny outside, I was framed, accused, blamed. I wanted it to be a good day, but I still have people around me telling me that I'm wrong. I'm trying to be positive, but I'm still wrong. I changed. I learned, but I'm still wrong. I'm still wrong for what I did. I'm still wrong for having a learning lesson, a growth spurt on someone else's time, on his watch. Yeah, I'm in the wrong. How come I can't move on? Am I supposed to be perfect? I know I may have hurt you and I said I'm sorry. I apologize. What else you want me to do? Is there more fury and guilt I'm supposed to spare? What more do you need? I'm trying to be fair, but you won't let me. You still want me to be stuck on yesterday, dwelling in sorrow and pity? Nah, I'm sorry. That ain't me. I got a life to live and so do you. Choose life. Choose to live and stop worrying about yesterday. Choose joy and love and not yesterday. There's so much more you can give than speaking on yesterday. It's petty. It's hurtful. It's all on me, right? Yeah, I know. I'm the one. The cause. And as the sun falls, it's my fault. I know. I'll take it. I've been doing it. I've been through worse. I'm a queen, a star. Well, maybe a few bruises. It's nothing new. Like a new day, refreshed and revived, I can say, fuck yesterday. It's a new day. This is my day. I'm changed. I'm brand new. I'm a new woman. My future was not yesterday.